What happens when Azimut builds an 81-foot Flybridge with no compromises on performance or space? I'm Tony from Minted Yachts. Today we're breaking down the Azimut Fly 82, specs, performance, layout, and how it stacks up against the competition. Start with the power plant. The Fly 82 runs triple Volvo Penta IPS, 1200 drives, 3 engines at 900 horsepower each, with an available upgrade to IPS 1350 at 1000 horsepower each. That triple IPS configuration pushes this boat to a top speed of 32 knots with a cruise speed of 25 knots. Fuel capacity is 1,506 gallons, and the IPS architecture delivers a 20 to 30% reduction in fuel burn compared to comparable shaft drive boats. That is the hull and drivetrain working together. The hull measures 81 feet 4 inches overall with a beam of 19 feet 3 inches and a draft of 5 feet 7 inches. That 19-foot beam translates directly into interior volume, one of the widest boats in its class, and you feel it everywhere you move. The deck runs from a foredeck with sun pads and anchor access back through a main salon wrapped in floor-to-ceiling glass into a cockpit built for al fresco entertaining. The helm station gives the captain excellent sightlines with full Volvo joystick integration for low-speed maneuvering. Below deck, the Fly 82 carries 4 guest cabins plus 2 crew cabins with 5 heads for guests and a dedicated crew head. The full beam owner's suite sits aft on the lower deck with direct transom access. The 2 additional guest cabins offer standing headroom and proper storage, no afterthought spaces here. The headline feature is the Deck-2-Deck terrace system, a hydraulic design that lowers the transom section to create a waterfront platform at water level. When you are anchored, the entire aft section becomes one continuous open-air living space from cockpit to waterline. Pair that with the carbon fiber superstructure, which reduces topside weight by up to 30% while maintaining full structural rigidity, and you have a yacht that is genuinely faster, more stable, and more fuel efficient than its displacement would suggest. On competitive positioning, against the Sunseeker 90 Ocean, the Azimut counters with lighter construction and a cleaner pod drive system. Against the Princess Y85, the Deck-2-Deck terrace is a feature advantage with no direct equivalent. Against the Ferretti 1000, the Fly 82 is the more owner-operated choice, a smaller crew footprint and lower annual operating costs at comparable size. Bottom line, the Fly 82 is Azimut's strongest technical case for the 80-foot Flybridge segment, triple IPS efficiency, carbon tech construction, and a Deck-2-Deck beach club that no direct competitor offers at this size. For the full spec sheet and comparison data, visit yachtspecsdirect.com. I'm Tony from Minted Yachts. See you on the next one.